Premium materials, made from high-quality natural rubber material for durability and ride performance. Extended service life. Less prone to splitting, discoloring or cracking with age for long life. Highly precise engineering, optimized for quiet operation and resistance to wear, salt, road grime and oils. Rigorous testing, comprehensive testing throughout design and development processes by MOOG engineers for quality you can count on. Comprehensive coverage, available for foreign and domestic nameplates. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG sway bar bushings deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Got it the next day. Part stores need to order 3-day wait. Fit perfectly 2003 Honda Element, cured noise I had in the rear of vehicle.